how to set the camera Pro default to HEIF Max or ProRAW 12 megapixel or 48 megapixel. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Camera. Next, we go down. In here, tap on Format. Then we scroll down and make sure you turn on ProRAW and resolution control. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then we go down and tap on Pro default. From here you can choose HEIF Max up to 48 megapixel or ProRAW 12 megapixel or ProRAW Max up to 48 megapixel. So select one of the options and here says select a default ProRAW format. The camera control will toggle the Pro format on and off. Long press on the camera control to choose from other format options. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.